Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will talk about multiple updates that are going on for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So starting off with the first update that you guys might be missing out. So for that, simply go into the settings, then tap on software update. Now from here tap on download and install. From here you will get to see that a new update will be available of the August 1st 2025 security patch level. This update includes some bug fixes and the issues that were there before. Also, if you were facing a battery drain issue with the OneUi 7 update, that can also be fixed by updating it on the latest security patch level. As you can see, I am getting a 1 day and 10-hour battery, and I have updated on the August update 2 days back. Now, if you talk about the OneUi 8 update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, so on X from the OneUi, it is updated that the US and Canadian Galaxy S24 series update version of the official OneUi 8 stable have been spotted on the test server. Some of the users might be already using the OneUi 8 with the beta version on their Galaxy S24 Ultra, as it is released in some limited countries, so many of other users are still waiting for the official OneUi 8 update. So from the OneUi, it is a good news that the official stable update is now being tested on the test server. That means that we can expect the official OneUi 8 update earlier than expected. There will be no major UI changes this time around, it will be just an enhanced version of the OneUi 7 update. One big change that is coming with the OneUi 8 update is in the weather app. There will be new animations and a new UI design for the weather app this time around. Also, you can expect some smoother animations while opening and closing of the apps. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the latest news and a new update available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So check out this update, and if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.